At Laurel Health, we are completely well positioned and well prepared at all our health centers to manage whatever lies ahead. We are rural, but it doesn't mean we don't have state-of-the-art, world-class access to care. One of the biggest challenges we have is with the transportation. Being in a rural part of the state, we do have transportation barriers, and that's why having offices in 9 different locations is very convenient to our patients. But particularly during this COVID-19 crisis, we've actually partnered with a lot of organizations within Tioga County to ensure that we can move our patients around as necessary to get them where they need to be for their care. We're also offering telehealth services because we also understand the transportation barriers as well as social distancing requirements. We want our patients to feel safe and secure, so we have telehealth options available. And if anybody calls 833-LAUREL-HC, they'll be dialed in, they can get set up with a telehealth appointment, and the provider can actually see the patient right in their own home, so they don't have to worry about the transportation challenges. And then one of the things I want to talk about also is you mentioned the rural community. As a community-based healthcare system, as a community healthcare clinics, community means everyone. We really stress the word unity in that community piece. And when we talked about supplies earlier, it's really just that. It's the community pulling together. And although we're very well positioned with our supplies, we have great resupply sources at the state and national level, the communities also stepped up to the challenge as well. We've received donations from Northern Tioga and Southern Tioga School District. They donated some of their supplies that they're not using now, hand sanitizer and other cleaning supplies with the schools out. Some of the local dentists have stepped up with their patient load being dramatically decreased. They've offered us some of their supplies from their inventory. And then today we're really pleased, partnering with Walmart, the shopping center right here in Mansfield. They've actually just today donated 500 bottles of hand sanitizer to Laurel Health for us to distribute both to our staff and patients and have available. We saw the governor extended his stay-at-home order to all 67 counties in Pennsylvania, and that's really the most important thing that the community can do right now. And Tioga County always pulls together as a community. They always have, and they always will. I get calls, I get texts, I get emails asking, what can we do to help? What can we do to help the health system? What can we do to help our community? And the number one thing our community can do right now is stay at home. You're not just protecting yourself, but you're also protecting your friends, your neighbors, your loved ones, your fellow Tioga County residents. You're protecting them by following that stay-at-home order. I certainly understand if you have to go out, that's important. You have to get the necessary supplies. You have to go to a necessary medical appointment. Let's make that the exception and not the rule. And please stay at home and wash your hands.